All right, what's going on, guys? I decided to do a quick live stream, about 20 to 30 minutes, and we're going to be talking about the markets, the cannabis stocks, and the fact that Aurora is just up again, finally making a nice little run. So let me just give you guys a couple seconds to get in on this stream, and then we'll get started right away. How's everybody doing today? How is everybody? Okay. What's going on, Doug? Just give me 1 sec to get set up here, and then we're going to get straight into some info. What's up, Steven? Northside, what's going on? How's everybody today on this fine Thursday? Okay. Cannabis green today. Yes, we're going to be taking a look at that in about 2 seconds. All right, let's see here. Going to pull up the cannabis portfolio, but we're seeing a nice run in ACB. That's why I wanted to start the stream and talk about a bunch of stuff. So, whoops, what's all that stuff? Okay, here we go. All right, guys, weed stocks. So Emblem Corp is the biggest gainer on the day. Emblem Corp up 16% after being acquired by Aphria. That's an interesting one. They're out of Paris, Ontario. I was wondering what is causing the run up in stocks. Long overdue, I suppose. I feel like it's long overdue. It's a lot of institutional buying in the new year, and just a lot of deals. There's a lot of stocks on sale right now. So look, you guys can see Emblem and Aphria Health both up between 13 to 16%. I had the pleasure of meeting the CEO of Emblem Corp a couple weeks ago when I was on Midas Letter. Really nice guy. He seemed really excited for the 2019. And those are definitely two stocks to take a look at, Emblem and Aphria Health. We'd like to do some coverage on Emblem and Aphria in the future. We're currently just talking with them. Hey everyone, Long Beach in the house, Green Day. Peter Eastwood, so jealous. Jealous of your weather. I hope your weather's probably a lot better than ours right now. Aurora Cannabis up 5.69% today. That's what we like to see. Kush Bottles in the green. What's losing today? Namaste is finally pulling back to 151. So, what's up, Moner Beats? We're seeing Acreage Holdings pull back. Matic Enterprises. A lot of these stocks ran like crazy. So, I'm not surprised to see a minor pullback in a couple of those guys. But anyways, guys, some of the stocks, we're still seeing Hexo. Where's Hexo? Hexo's been kind of flat recently, but Aurora finally starting to perform. Canopy's doing phenomenal. Up 20% in the last 2 days. Guys, look at the run up in Canopy. Canopy looks to be taking off again. That stock under 40 bucks. Boy. What's up, NTV? How are you, my friend? Portfolio is still looking green, so that's one thing. I wanted to also take a look at the article put out by Seeking Alpha. This was on the 10th, so not too long ago. They're a little bit late to the party. Aurora Cannabis Q2 guidance fell short of expectations. Aurora announced guidance for its Q2 results. The guidance was underwhelming as it indicates only 17 million in sales from legalization. Investors voiced their support about the company as Aurora's share price only declined 4.4%. We expect other cannabis companies to report even smaller legalization revenues for a coming quarter, as we thought Aurora was one of the readiest producers on the cannabis market. So I think that, I don't know, their articles are more and more bearish on the cannabis stocks. It just seems like they're in on the short. Well, obviously they were in on releasing that information about Aphria. So On Tuesday, Aurora Cannabis announced guidance for its fiscal 2019. The guidance came in below the street estimates and represented a slow start to legalization at the company. We like the transparency and initiatives at Aurora management team, but the numbers are far from enough to support its $7 billion market cap. So you guys can find all the details in there. Hexo last quarter ending October 31st, 2018 included $5.2 million in sales from legalization in the first 2 weeks. Organigram guided $12.4 million in revenue for Q1 2019 on November 30th, 2018. So they put out some fairly thorough articles. I mean, it's a pretty decent article. Clearly ACB's running again today, but we're going to just take a look and see. We were a little bit higher. We're dipping a little bit into the close. Yeah, slight dip in the afternoon. We'll see what happens. What's up, DG Slots? How's it going? Just sipping on some tea right now. We're going to take a look at a few more sectors, if you guys don't mind. Feeling great today. My portfolio is up 8% so far. So made half my yearly salary. Wow. Making money so far in a down market due to cannabis. Yes, sir. Well, I'm like seeing... Sorry about that. I like to see cannabis stocks in the green. Let's take a look and see what else is moving. We're seeing utility cos in the green today. AltaGas, Cryos Energy, Trans Altacorp, Fortis, Algonquin's flat. Nope, we're in the green. Okay, let's take a quick look at commodities, guys. See what's happening for gold, silver, and oil. I like to recap a few more things in just the cannabis sector. All right. Gold's selling off, silver selling off. Oil's pretty stable, above 50. Whoa. So what's everybody up to today? Are you guys at work? Are you guys at home? Are you guys relaxing? What's the plan for the rest of the day? I'm gonna live stream for probably another 10 minutes and then go to the gym. And then shoot market minute. Because we can't miss that for you guys. All right. Yeah, so we're seeing Emblem lead the show today. Emblem and Aleafia Health. Jeez. Canopy, Aurora. Canopy and Aurora. It's hard to say. FSD Pharma in the green again today. FSD Pharma's moved up quite a bit. Tilt Holdings, that's an interesting one. Might be putting out a video soon on Tilt Holdings. Let's take a look at the precious metal stocks, see what's going on there. All right, all right. Where's the precious metal miners? There we go. Where's the like button? How about that? Where's my likes, guys? No one hit that like button. If you're new to the stream, hit the like button. Please, I would appreciate it. I see 5 likes. 5 likes and 43 people in the room. Yeah. All right, guys. So not too much new. What was I trying to say? Not that much more news about Aurora Cannabis. Just as we're up today, cannabis seems to be beating the market. So it's nice to see. I want to quickly take a look at financials. See what's going on with the financials. Gold and silver miners are down on the day. Financials are mixed. First Nationals in the green. TD and BNS are green. It's kind of a calm day today in the markets. Nothing really crazy is happening today. Subscribe to channel. Hit that like button. I only start typing when you go live, or else my office is so quiet. Just click refresh. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for supporting. Thoughts on in a couple days when insiders are able to sell off shares after 180-day hold. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens for sure. All right, guys. So what do you want to talk about? What do you want me to take a look at? I'll take some requests for the next 10 minutes. Otherwise, I'm going to look back at the cannabis stocks and dig around the markets and just show you guys what I do when I take a look at some stuff. So if you guys aren't commenting, then I'm going to take a look at the 10-year yield. MMJJF. Jeez, look at that 10-year yield. It dipped all the way down to 2.69 not that long ago. I didn't think we would see such a big sell-off, but I mean, I guess investors going straight into bonds. Thoughts about Bezos getting divorced? Well, guys, I've seen some awesome memes and stuff about... Let's take a look. Jeff Bezos. Oh, shoot, that's a tweet. Where's the memes? Come on, I want to see the memes. This was awesome. I've seen this so many times. See, his wife is a good investor. I mean, she knows when to buy low and sell high. What can I say? Let's give that a like. Jeff Bezos and his wife Mackenzie are divorcing after 25 years. She looks 25 years younger than him. Give that a like. CNBC News. Where did Jeff Bezos find the time to cheat while running one of the biggest companies in the world? Is it official that he cheated, though? It's not. I mean, let's face it. Bezos could just line up whatever he wants. So, meet pilot neighbor dating world's richest man amid his divorce. Oh, this is his new wife. Interesting. She looks like she's got the same face. What do you think, guys? Look at. Let's try and zoom in. Let's try and zoom in on this. She's got that same face, but like, she looks weird too, honestly. They both look like they're crazy. Look at her face. Wait a sec. Sorry, guys. Just gotta take a look here. They've got the same smile. Anyways. Who's this? Oh, Jeff Bezos cheated on his wife with his friend's wife. Lauren Sanchez, breakdown on how much that is going to cost him because he had no prenup. Wow. Yeah, I know, right? She's not. Do you ever look over member portfolios and give advice suggestions on how to maximize profits? I mean, yeah, send me an email. Let me know if there's like, you can, yeah, just send me an email. We can talk. contact@departurescapital.com. Of course, I'll help you out, especially if you're a VIP trader. That's what I do. Support my community. Appreciate you guys. So, yeah. So anyways, back to Jeff Bezos. He's a heartbreaker. What are you guys drinking today? I'm drinking tea. Finally, no more coffee. I can hit the naughty button, but what should I hit the naughty button for? For Bezos.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
That is right. How could I forget that? I'm sorry. Is Amazon growth engine still strong? Watch these two metrics. Just got a new... Oh, this is 10 hours old. See, this was where the divorce happened. And then we're making the recovery because he's going to be all right. No, I'm just kidding. Bezos is probably fine. He probably wanted to get divorced anyways. He's a free man now. Oh, I want to talk about this one company. Meet the much anticipated pot company that Jim Cramer can't wait to go public. Green Growth... I don't know what's going on here. Sorry, guys. Green Growth Brands is a unique double threat that's targeting not the $1 but $2 billion pot segment. With the company going public on November 13th, This is old news. What is up with this? But anyways, guys, Green Growth Brands followed us on Twitter yesterday. So I was pretty happy about that. If you guys don't believe me, we can check in on our feed and see that Green Growth Brands followed you. And I was like, cool, so we might as well hit them up. Maybe they want to tell us what exactly is going on with the Aphria takeover. Maybe they want to give us some insider information. I don't know, I'm just kidding, but that'd be pretty cool. Let's give them a quick little shout out. Thanks for the follow, guys. When you buy in Aphria. Nah, I'm just kidding. We will be covering your stock. There we go. All right. Let's check comments. Aaron, your thoughts on natural gas? Do you think UGAS will be a good trade as winter finally sets in? I don't do UGAS or DGAS. I don't do 3 times leveraged ETFs, but I do like natural gas long term. I like natural gas. I like pipelines. I like oil. We invest in those long terms. I'm not really a trader, so sorry. I'm not really a trader, but I am long term on pipeline stocks. Unfortunately, AltaGas, it's looking like a piece of crap, but don't take my word for that. Don't buy any stock that I recommend, but I do like natural gas long term. I will say that. And I do feel like there's a buying opportunity in natural gas. But I wouldn't hold 3 times leveraged ETFs. I've traded them before, I just don't do that anymore. But yeah, guys, ACB up 6%. Sick. Let's go on Twitter for fun. Let's see what we are following here. Constellation Brands stock sinks as weak wine sales. Cannabis investment hurt 2019 forecast. What is this nonsense? Okay. Thank you for all of America's brave police, deputies, sheriffs, and federal law enforcement on National Law Enforcement Appreciation Day. We love and will always support you. Wow, Trump, just such a great guy. All right, guys, enough of that. ADD kicked in there for a second. Let's go back. Let's go back to stuff. I want to take a quick look at natural gas. Just to natural gas futures. Buying ACB at $7 is a no-brainer. Could be. Look at the sell-off in natural gas. Right back down to $3. That winter spike was such a joke, but honestly, look at the 5-year chart for natural gas. This commodity could just not hold on to its gains. But I feel like if you're looking at natural gas companies, buying now, probably not a bad idea. What do we got going on Twitter? Benjamin A. Smith. All right, guys. We're going to recap a few more things. What's good, man? Riding the Aurora and Canopy ride today? We've been riding that Aurora wave. We've been riding that Aurora wave since 2017, man. We're just accumulating, though. I'm not really trading Aurora. But Canopy, on the other hand, is on fire. Canopy's doing fantastic. Aurora, doing good today, too. Yes, sir. Alephia Health and Emblem Corp. Smash a like for Aaron and Departed Capital. I'm in 6 months and my life has changed. I'll never worry about making money again. Wow, Peter, I really appreciate that. That's really sweet. And I'll always do my best to keep you guys up to date on the markets, what to look at. But once again, we're not financial advisors. So this is news, information, education. And read the disclaimer also. But I do my best. So thank you, sir. Today is the first day I made profit on Aurora. I've been down with everyone else. It's just starting. Load up Aurora. Load that truck up. We might be looking at Aurora as well. Got a ton of dividends that are coming in for the new year. Need to figure out where to put them. I do like utility companies as well. I'm a safe investor, guys. I like cannabis as well, but also a safe investor. Let's do a little bit more scrolling real quick, and then we will be heading out, guys, because we got to hit the gym before our market minute. I'm trying to hit the gym on the in the daytime. What's this? Jeff Bezos. Nah, man. Who wants a follow? Send me your Twitter handle. We'll give you a random follow. Real Madrid. What's your take on Huge? Bullish on Huge. Definitely bullish on Huge. Has there been news on these stocks? FSC. Thoughts on Disney? I managed to get 7,500 shares at a 104 range. Think their streaming service will do them good. That's a good one to take a look at. Let's take a look at Disney. All right. Kushco. I think Kushco is interesting. So, for DG Slots, my man who always supports me, we're going to take a look at Disney paying a 1.58% dividend, $167 billion market cap. Let's take a look at the long-term chart just to see what's going on for Disney. All right. Disney's held its own. Disney has definitely held its own in this market correction. Barely affected the stock. Disney looks like a strong company. You know what, NTB? I think if the markets hold up, I think Disney could put in some new all-time highs. It's definitely a company that knows how to make money, and it has a strong brand. Not too much for a dividend, but strong branding. I think it's one of those stocks that might do decent in a market downturn. Thoughts on Kushco Maple Leaf Green? Aaron, you are the man, brother. Keep up the great work. Thank you, sir. Oh, yes. We got the cash button. Cash button. All right, let's see what we got here. Man buys new house, then his gut tells him to dig in his backyard. Clickbait. He found a missile silo. I want to go to this expo, guys. Darn. It starts today. We got media passes, but why the heck are tickets to Vancouver $600? What a joke. I could fly to Iceland and back twice. What are your thoughts on Novo Nordisk? Novo Nordisk. Let's take a quick look. Never really seen or heard or looked at this stock, but we're always up for new stocks. What's going on in Vegas in February, my man? Global healthcare company engaged in diabetes care. The company is also engaged in the discovery, development, manufacturing of pharmaceutical products. That already sounds like something that I would like. Let's take a look at their stock. We might have to add this one to the watch list. Wowzers. Company's held together pretty well. 2.6% dividend, $93 billion market cap. Looks like a great company to watch. Damn, DG Slots, you're tempting me. What's going on there? Are you just going for fun, going to do some gambling, spend some Aurora money? Let me know. Same as I think. Only thing they have missed so far was the streaming service. All them kids are going to want it, and they can advertise it on their own TV shows. That's true. That is very true. Do you recommend selling point for ACB? As a trader, now keep in mind I'm not a trader, but if I was trading ACB, wow, ACB is making a nice little run today, up 7.22%. Beautiful. It's nice to see, guys. One sec. I had to drink my tea. So if I was trading ACB, let's take a look at the 1 month chart. One sec, guys. Need some candles. Light the candles, set the mood. And Yeah, so if I was trading ACB, honestly, like I said in my previous videos months ago, buying a stock when it's going down, you got to be comfortable with finding an entry point. So in that case, around $7, I probably would have bought some, and then I would have said to myself, if it goes down to $6, I'll buy some more, and it did. So I probably would have bought some more, and then basically just hold it. So not hold it forever, but I would probably look at the charts and I would say, well, I'll probably take some profits around $10. I like those round numbers. Maybe sell half at $10, and then if we get back up to 12 to 14, might sell it all and look for the next entry point. Although it could obviously run to all-time highs, you never know. These stocks are very volatile, but I like to buy incrementally. I never go all in at one specific point, and you just got to look where do you think there's going to be some support? Well, currently looks to be some support in the low 6s. As we bounced off that a couple times, we seem to be attempting to break out a little bit, and I'd like to see ACB get back above $8 and hold it. So yeah, in terms of a selling point, it depends on how long-term of a trader you are. I mean, if you're buying in the 6s and selling in the 8s, that's not too bad if it makes it up there. If you're buying in the 7s, 6s and 7s and selling in the 10s, if it makes it up there, that's a pretty decent trade. But yeah, like I said, be patient if you're a swing trader. I wouldn't necessarily go all in, but at the same time, I'm a long-term, not even trader. We're just holding ACB. Honestly, we plan to hold ACB for a long, long time. I want to see the day that cannabis companies start to pay dividends, which could be who knows how long from now. 5 years. We'll see what happens, guys. Hit that like button. Cheers. Cheers. I'm going to hit the gym soon. What are you guys up to? I'm going to hit the gym in 2 minutes, guys. So drop me some comments, some suggestions. I'll answer any questions. Make sure to watch my video. Oh my gosh, my mom's in the room. What's up, Mom? Now you can watch me. What's up, Laura? Biggest ACB supporter trader. I see you. What's up, Mom? Yes, Mom, I'm going to the gym soon. All right, you can see me now. Any good books to read? That's a very, very good question, depending on what you're looking for in terms of books. Some of the recent books that I've read and loved. One book I'm still currently reading right now, I'm reading The Art of Seduction, not to be able to be a better seducer, which I don't need help with, but I'm reading The Art of Seduction for business purposes, 90% business purposes, 10% personal life purposes, but The Art of Seduction. Take a look. Actually, you know what, guys? We're right on here so we can show you this. One of my favorite books. He's my favorite author. 48 Laws of Power, Mastery, The Art of Seduction. Great book. Robert Greene is the man. This book's cover looks very interesting. 48 Laws of Power. This book is sweet. Changed my life. I'm reading a book, Aurora hits $20. I know, the cover is funny. It's ironic. Nah, I'm just watching 50 Shades of Grey. I've never watched 50 Shades of Grey. The Art of Seduction is a business book, guys. It's in the business section. But if you want some good books, Here, let me let me recommend some. So I want, nah, not I want. You guys are distracting me so much. So Ego is the Enemy, Obstacle is the Way. Those are two fantastic books. Let me show you. Ego is the Enemy. Very, very good book. I don't know how to spell obstacle. This is terrible. Yep. I'm a terrible speller. Obstacle is the Way. Ego is the Enemy. Obstacle is the Way. Two fantastic books. I have lived 50 Shades of Grey. Thanks always. The book from the Japanese guy wasn't so bad. Something about Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Robert Kiyosaki, I believe. Robert Kiyosaki you're talking about. Ego is the only enemy. That is correct. So we got a little bit off topic here, guys. I love those books. Once again, 48 Laws of Power. Mastery is another really good one. What's his last name? Mastery book, whatever. We'll just type in book. There we go. This book's awesome. Robert Greene. How to master one specific skill. So guys, that's pretty much it for the live stream. It's already been, it's been 31 minutes. Perfect. We're just on time. So, yes, I heard that book's really good. That's not the right one. Sorry. Cashing out. I'm cashing out soon, guys. I need to hit the gym. Yes, sir, Spartacus. Check out those books. They really changed my life. I can put together a list of, a bunch of good books to read. I haven't had much time to do some reading, but I really want to dedicate some more time. But I gotta finish that book, Art of Seduction. It's ridiculous. This year has started so well. All green. Thanks for the great content. 50 Shades is my new nickname. Jeez. Hit that like button before you go, guys. Anybody who's just joined the stream, thank you so much. And we'll take comments for one more minute. One more minute. One more minute, then we're out of here. We all love you today. We making money. Thanks, bro. Stay for 5 minutes, please. This always happens. My tea's running out soon. When my tea runs out, I'm out. Shots. Oh, you just don't want to work out. That's true. That's true. Well, you know what, guys? In the meantime, I've got a great... I almost dropped that. I've got a great idea. When Aurora gets to $10, you guys should all sign up for the VIP Trader program. We've put out a brand new report every Sunday before 12. Hit that subscribe button. Before you hit that subscribe button on departurescapital.com. I mean Departures Capital YouTube. Jeez. Let's see. Let's do one more recap of the cannabis stocks real quick. All right. We're moving into the green a little bit more. Alkaline water? For real? Where's Aurora? Dang, 7.78%. Oh, it was tea. I thought it was something more fun. Nope. It's tea. It's a lot of tea, though. It's green tea, mango. We've got some... What else is that? Hibiscus. Hibiscus in there. Thanks, fam. Keep up the good work. When is the next video? Northside. What's going on, Northside? Next video dropping between 5 and 6 o'clock tonight. After the gym, I'm going to make it to the gym, workout, come back here, record ASAP, and I'll be dropping the next Market Minute between 5 and 6. So make sure to check that out. Leave a comment, please. I appreciate it. Hit that like button. And yeah, so I said I was going to go. So I need to work out, guys. Departures Capital 2019 fitness plan. Gotta work out. "30 seconds. We're leaving at 36 minutes. You guys got 15 seconds. Dad. We're finishing up this glass of tea and then we're heading out. I'm out. Bye-bye.